Namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Yogendra. Today I am here with a new lesson about Shirsasana Headstand. The complete practice for the beginners. How we can do headstand step by step. Let me tell about this pose. Shirsasana is called the king of the poses, king of asanas. But during the practice we have to be very careful, especially for beginners. Shirsasana should not be practiced by people those have high blood pressure, heart disease, chronic constipation, or neither in pregnancy or menstruation. So let's start. Sit in Vajrasana with ankles flat and slowly lean forward. Drop the elbows on mat. The distance between the elbows, as the distance between the from elbow to interlocked finger. To make a triangle, interlace fingers, fix your elbows, place the crown on mat, or this part of the crown you can place, because this part is very soft. This part you place on mat and grab with hands. Your head will support with hands. It's like that. Slowly lift knees up. Walk feet forward. Tuck your lower back to straighten your spine. Hips over the head. If cannot move further, you can put block underneath the feet. Practice with them like that. It's like that. So your hips will come over the head and body weight. Engage your core. Bend knees. More weight on hands and head. Just touch your toes on block. Then next step, with engaging core, lift. Keep your active your toes, thighs, tuck your lower back. Keep your heels close to the hips and knees pointing forward. Form your body here. Next step, open it. Bring your knees over the hips, pointing upward. If you think you cannot move further, you try to maintain here, no need to go further. When you develop your arms and core, torso is strong, so that you can do the full headstand, you can move slowly. Straighten knees. Toes pointed, feet together. Slowly bend knees. Step by step, in reverse order. Bring thighs close to chest and toes on floor, slowly, one by one. Drop knees. You can rest your head on fist like that for a while. So this is the practice of headstand. When we doing the step by step, first try to do one step, then second step. Once you lift your both feet up with knees bent, try to make your torso engaged, core engaged, back muscles engaged, and try to firm your hands. Put weight on head and hands, all distributed. For the beginners, try to put weight on elbows and arms more, forearms more, because our necks is not strong as enough, so that we can bear the body weight in starting. But as you become practitioner, slowly you put weight on head. You can use the folded blanket underneath the forearms and head, so it will be helpful for your crown. This one we can do with support wall as well. Let's see how. You make the position same like that. Bring hips up, feet forward, bring hips up. Here you have to rest the lower back, the hip on the wall. Here touch and then lift it. Try to just touch the back of the hip on wall, not give any weight, and then straight. And then hips of the wall. 1 foot away from wall. Maintain here. And then slowly after practice you can release both. So like that. When you come back, touch your heels, touch your hips, slowly fold your legs, knees bent, thighs close to chest, and feet one by one on floor. It's like that. So in the beginning we can practice with support wall. Later on we go and step by step without support. I hope you like this video. Thank you.